Sneak away, unpacking the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, sneak away. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. So if you've ever wondered about this sneaky little phrase, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the world of English expressions and find out how to use sneak away in different contexts. The phrase sneak away means to leave a place quietly and secretly, usually to avoid being noticed. It combines two words, sneak, which means to move quietly and stealthily, and away, which indicates leaving a location. It's often used when someone leaves unnoticed from a situation that may be awkward, troublesome, or simply boring. For example, if you were at a party and you decided to leave without telling anyone, you might say, "I'm going to sneak away from the party early." Sneak away can be used in various situations, from light-hearted to serious. Here are a few contexts where this phrase might pop up. Social events, like our party example earlier, one might sneak away from social gatherings, meetings, or even dates. Work or professional settings, an employee might sneak away from their desk to take a break without attracting the attention of their boss. Danger or trouble, someone might sneak away from a dangerous place or to escape from trouble. In all these situations, sneak away conveys a sense of avoiding attention or leaving discreetly. To give you a better understanding, let's put sneak away into some sentences. After the conference call dragged on for hours, I decided to sneak away to grab a coffee. The kids tried to sneak away to play video games before finishing their homework. When she saw her ex-boyfriend walk into the room, Jenna thought it might be better to sneak away before he noticed her. There are several synonyms for sneak away that can be used depending on the context. Some of these include slip out, steal away, escape, creep off. Each of these can be used interchangeably but may carry slight variations in connotations. I hope this explanation helps you grasp the phrase, sneak away, and you can start using it in your own conversations. Remember, the key to learning a language is practice, so try to use this phrase next time you need to leave unnoticed. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Goodbye, and perhaps you'll sneak away to watch another one of our videos.